In this instructional video, I will be showing you how to assemble your S.A.F.E mask. Begin by removing your mask from its packaging. Each mask comes with care instructions, 2 number 12 Merv Filters, and 2 stainless steel nose pieces. The mask also comes with a nose pocket that has an opening and a filter pocket. To begin, you're going to want to locate the opening to the nose pocket and carefully insert the stainless steel nose piece. Make sure that the nose piece fits completely inside the nose pocket. Next, you're going to insert your filter. Begin by separating the 2 linings inside the filter pocket. Lay down the filter inside, making sure that it is completely flat. Now you are ready to use your S.A.F.E mask.